Hi, I'm Ralph W. Sevenor from Wayne Alarm Systems. Welcome to Antique Minute at Wayne Alarm Systems. And thought it started all here. This was 1852. This is actually the first burglar alarm that was patented. It was actually invented by Augusta Pope, and it was purchased. The patent was purchased by Edwin T. Holmes from Somerville, Massachusetts. Very simply, the circuit would be wired here. Everything would be an open circuit design. The battery would be wired here, and the on-off switch would be right here, so you'd actually control the alarm system. It would typically sit on a fireplace mantle or in a cupboard, and so if you think about it, this is well before the Civil War. They were actually having alarm systems, so it's quite a feat. I'm glad to say a lot of it came from the Northeast area, and to this day it still works, so it's pretty amazing technology. So thank you very much for sharing a minute with us, and any other questions, let us know and keep us abreast.